G'day guys, Matty from F.A Sessions Australia. So one of the things I wanted to do with the van is chuck another battery in. So I thought I'd do a little video showing you how to do it and how simple it is to set up in the van to give yourself just that extra day, couple of days worth of power. So super easy, so let's get into it. So you can see here I've got the battery in already. I haven't got a battery box for it yet, mainly because I just run out of money. So as soon as I get a battery box, that battery will go in one. But it's pretty simple to do. So all I got was cable from J-Car and the connectors. Then what you need to do is put the positive from this battery to the positive on this battery. Then the negative that was on this battery that charges it, I've put onto this one, just here. And then I've put the negative from this battery back to this battery. I'll set up a little diagram as well, but it's quite simple. So that was easy to do. Then to set it up in your J-Hub, it's even easier. So come over to the J-Hub, hold settings, come up with setup, use the arrows. What we're looking for is battery. So battery capacity, go edit, and I already got 100 in there, and I'll just put in a 55. So we'll go to 160 and we'll hit edit. That selects it and we'll hit back, get out of there, and that's the setup. You need to make sure you're in 12.7 volts. If it's at 24, you're going to have all types of dramas, so make sure it's not at 24. But it's as simple as that. Anyway, I hope that helps someone out. It took me a little bit to figure it out, but it's actually super easy. Can't wait to test her out, so stay tuned. Have a good one.
We hoped that in the great unknown we'd find peace of mind. No bother which direction to go or to keep in time.